Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader, TechTrader.com. It's Wednesday, June the 28th. These are the charts of the day. Well, whippy day in Wall Street. I didn't like the underlying tech goals much, but I liked the way the market closed. So we'll leave it at that. And let's see what happens tomorrow. Still, we had a good day in the TechTrader.com trading room. I'm taking a look at some of the stocks that we looked at and traded. AAOI, which is a swing, had an engulfing reversal day, and now looks like it's headed for 5 3/4. And then maybe 7, possibly as high as 9 eventually. Nice turnaround in this stock. As you can see, a long-term downtrend base breakout. ACHR, junior aviation stocks doing very well of late. Take a look at, though, the multiple tops. Archer over the last year, 5 1/4, 516, 498, and then this one today, 488, excuse me, not today, but last week. So we got to get it above 488, 490. Anyway, so it looks like it's in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a wave 5 started today with a pop of 51 cents or 15%. It's a low price stock, but I think it's going to make 4 3/4 and eventually 6. ASTC popped yesterday and had a nice follow through today with a gain of $1.35 or 10%. Volume was low. It's a thinly traded stock, less than 100,000. But I wanted to show you the pattern because it looks like it's about to extend towards 16 3/4, my next target. ATEC, swing trade that I put out a while back, broke out. Matter of fact, not a long way back. I just put it out a couple days ago. Sorry about that. When it broke out, it looks like it wants to extend. 21, 24 are targets. Bbio popped a wedge after popping a larger coil, and today jumped from 1605 to 1806. Finished at 18 up 171 or 10.5%. 2.7 million traded. Not a lot, but for that stock, it is. It looks like BBIO may be headed for retest of the March spike high, which got up to 1994. If you get to 20, you're probably going to see 25. CCL with a beautiful inverse head and shoulder type pattern along base, 1 year, broke out, ran up, retested, and then started to take off again. Now it's got a beautiful parallel channel with the target up around 19. The stock may very well see upwards of 21, 22, if not more. Carvana, the swing trade doing well after popping here and forming a wedge. We put a swing on it, then ran from under 12 to high 20s, actually reaching 28.5 here, and today's high 28.40. So the moment a follow through could be another 10 points, no kidding. 38 to 40 is my target. IONQ popped big time, spiking from 1050 to 1356, finishing 1320, up to 39 to 22%. A nice move. Now looking for 15 and 18. JOBY, a beautiful swing of ours that's worked well. Look at his inverse head and shoulder. There's a breakout. We went long in the 5 range. It's now over 9. I got up to as high as 917, finished 911 up to 72. 42% gain today, 48.7 million as well. LI popped, and is a follow through swing trade. Not a lot of gains today, 33 cents, but I think it's on the way higher. 37 and 40 are targets. NERV, big, massive engulfing reversal, testing the trend line, and then spiking from a low of 5 to a high of 11.14. What a move. Finished 981 of 379, a mere 63% on 56 million shares. The target now is 14. OPEN, some of the real estate related companies are doing well, like Redfin and Open. We'll get to Redfin in a minute, but Open popped and took out the channel top, got up to resistance and key resistance near the 4 area and finished right there. So this could extend, and if it does, I'm looking for 5 3/4. Overstock swing doing well, popped out. We put a swing on and it backed off and they came on again. Today's gain of 307 or 12.7% on 4.2 million cleanly takes it out of the declining top sign and its mini base here. So at this point, I'm looking for a test, and it's right at resistance. If we can get through here, your next test would be 31. PINS, Pinterest, spiked up a little bit to gapped up, I should say, and it's up near a resistance level that if it gets through here, my target is 30.5, 31. Beyond that, it's reasonable to assume 33. QBTS had a nice run in May, June, taking it from 41 cents to 268. 7-fold increase, and then the pullback. Nice fib retracement, nice bounce again. I think we're headed to 4.5 and 7. Stay tuned. Redfin broke out and took a key breakout, technical breakout, put a swing on it. I'm thinking high teens, low to mid 20s. RMTI put it out today. That beautiful flag has me thinking it's going to go. I love the technicals. $7 target. SIEN also popping last week. Highest close on this one today since mid-November. And should we get through that, you're looking at near 5. Snow finally breaking out of its base, it appears. My targets now are 209, 245. So UN also extending, pressing the February highs, which were 497, today's high 479. So we get to that, I'm looking at a $6, $7 stock. Upstart, explosive move since early May when it was trading at under 12, made a run to 38, more than trebling for this pullback, and now snapback. Resistance is 39, and then your next target is 45. And finally, XPEV in the Chinese automotive sector, along with Lee, I like these two. Big base, coming up to a key resistance zone, and should it get through, in my opinion, say above 12, this stock could be 14 and 16. And let's look at some of the hot stocks at techtrader.com, including some of our swing trades. Not everybody.